If apples aren't your thing, this recipe's a game changer. Grab 4, 5, 6 apples, whatever you've got. The more apples you use, the richer the experience. Start by washing them well with hot water. Yes, hot water, but be careful when doing so. This isn't just a random step. The shine on supermarket apples, industrial wax. Remove it. I use medium apples. They don't need to be perfect. In fact, slightly overripe ones work even better. Pot size determines quantity, but trust me, make extra. Now cut them into large chunks. Don't bother peeling them. Leave all the skin on. That rich color and slow release flavor, it's in the peel. You can core them if you want, but honestly, if you're straining it all later, don't stress about it. Place apples in a big pot, not crowded, fully submerged. And here begins the aromatic magic. Cinnamon sticks steal the show as they touch hot water, sweet cloves fill the air with deep perfume, and a pinch of grated nutmeg. Don't overdo it, just a touch. Cover it and set it over medium heat. When it boils, uncover, lower the heat and let it simmer for an hour. Yes, a full hour. Don't rush the process. During this time, the whole house will be perfumed, and that's no exaggeration. After that hour, cover it again and let it simmer on low heat for 2 more hours. Play music, tidy up, read a book, daydream, whatever, but leave it be. This isn't a quick juice, it's a brew that improves with time. When it's ready, the apples will melt at a glance. They'll become a fragrant dark amber compote, thick and luscious. Now we strain. First with a large colander to remove peels, seeds and sticks. Help with a spoon or your hands, squeeze the pulp. That's where the real juice lives. Be honest, do you squeeze it dry or take it easy? Strain it through a fine sieve or cloth. What drips is liquid gold, honey-hued, autumn-scented, uniquely fresh. For a show-stopping dessert, skewer large marshmallows on cinnamon sticks. Briefly flame them to melt the outside. I used a kitchen torch. Next level. Serve the cider in a nice glass. It deserves it. Top with marshmallows and a splash of sugar-free ginger ale. That bubbly touch brings it to life. When you taste it, you'll get it. It's not just a drink. It's warm nostalgia, smells like home, tastes like a hug, feels like a lazy afternoon. So if you've got apples lying around wondering what to do, stop hesitating and make this.